All right, number one, you're going to solve each proportion. You have question A, which is x plus 2 divided by 3 equals to 8 over 9. Here, all you have to do is cross multiply. So you are going to have 9 times x plus 2 and then 8 times 3, right? You're just going to go across. You're going to distribute that 9 times x is 9x, 9 times 2 is 18. On the right hand side, 8 times 3 is 24. Minus 18 to both sides, so you could get x alone. 8x is equal to 6. Then divided by x to both, divide by 9 to both sides, you get 6 over 9, but make sure you simplify it to 2 over 3. And next, this is a traditional problem that you have to understand when we work with the area. 84 over a, think about a as area, is equal to 7 over 21 squared. Okay? So even before you can cross multiply like what we did on A, you have to deal with that squared. So distribute that squared to both the top term of 7 and the bottom term of 21. Okay? 7 squared is 49, 21 squared is 441. Now you can cross multiply. 84 times 441 and 49 times A. The left-hand side is 37,044 is equal to 49a. Divide by 49, you get 756a.